In this video, I want to bring a fresh perspective on boundaries. So we hear about boundaries a lot, setting boundaries in certain areas of your life so that you can divert your energy into places that you want it to go. I recently thought about this idea of offensive boundaries rather than defensive boundaries. And what I mean by that is that you might set a boundary with a friend of yours because maybe they bring negative energy into your life and you're like, right, I'm learning, I'm growing, and I don't need this anymore. So you might put a boundary in a place to protect yourself. That's a defensive boundary. I thought about an offensive boundary, which is basically if there is a certain result that I'm trying to achieve in my life, then what boundaries am I willing to push? Which things am I willing to do in order to make that happen, even though it's difficult? The context in which I specifically thought about this was in the context of my parents. The end goal is to have a deep connection with my parents. I want to improve my relationship with my parents, just like we all do, right? So I'm willing to set boundaries in place to improve that relationship.